BMW in today, E-Drive. It's 3 Series and it's coming for a coolant problem. Let's take her in and check where the coolant's leaking from. Bringing a BMW in there. It's E-Drive, this one. So Barry's going to put in a ramp now and we're going to check out where the coolant's leaking from. So on the ramp now. Now first things first, all these pots like these, got to remove them. We can see inside here a little bit, right inside there is coolant, so we have to access this, but all this needs to be removed. Well, we made access to the thermostat housing. This is the big thermostat housing. There's a gasket behind there as well. Obviously you can't really see that well, but yeah, that's the one leaking. And also this is the water pump, this one here. That's the one leaking as well. So we're going to replace both things. Genuine parts are coming on its way. So we've still got to strip everything, drain the coolant and carry on. Received the BMW parts now. So we've got them brand new here, new thermostat housing and a new water pump here, genuine BMW. So let's see what's inside. That's it now, brand new genuine BMW part. That's that one. And we've got the water pump here. Open it. Comes with a new pulley as well, a new flange. Look at that, genuine. Alright, let's assemble the vehicle back now. Right, we've started the BMW now. Put the coolant in there and we've bled it through this one here. Good thing about these BMWs, they always have a bleeding nipple, which is good. This one here. That's it, you can see coolant coming out. Leave it run into the coolant circulates and everything. And we'll make sure the temperature's all alright and the fan's kicking in. Back from test drive. Can confirm it's all good. No warning lights or anything, so that's a good sign. All happy to release it to the customer now. That's it. Another job done.